Hi friends, welcome to session 3 on linear differential equation, which is the second unit of BSc 4th SEM. In this session we are going to study about the Legender's linear differential equations. The general form of this equation is a0 p plus qx raised to n dn plus a1 p plus qx raised to n minus 1 dn minus 1 plus etc. up to an minus 1 p plus qx plus an of y is equals to x, where d is d by dx and a0, a1 etc. up to an, and p and q are constants. Let us substitute this type of equation is called Legendre linear differential equation. So what you have to do is here we have to convert this Legendre equation in Cauchy-Euler linear differential equation that we studied in the last session. So to convert this equation in Cauchy-Euler equation, we have to use one substitution. So that is, you have to use substitution here, p plus qx is equals to z. And after this substitution, so this Legendre equation will be converted into, it will be reduced into standard Cauchy-Euler form. And during this substitution, so we have to use here p plus qx equals to z. And this implies differentiating with respect to x. We have derivative of p is 0 and derivative of qx is q is equals to here. So this differentiating this one q into dz by dy by dz. So this implies here dy by dx is equals to q into dz by dx. So we know how we got this one, means here we know dy by dx. This so we can write this one as here dy by dx can be taken as dy by dz into dz by dx. See here in this we can keep this dz by dx. Here dy by dx we don't know, you keep this one as it is, dy by dz you have to keep this one as it is, and dz by dx, if you differentiate this you will get here dz by dx, differentiating with respect to x you will get here this one as q. So this implies here, this implies dy by dx is equals to q into dy by dz. We got this one. And similarly we will get this one as d2y by dx square is equals to q square d2y by dz square, d3y by dx cube is equals to q cube d cube y by dz cube, etc. So generally we have here dny by dx raised to n is equals to q raised to n dny by dz raised to n. So I'll explain below how we got all these values. Only thing is, you just remember, if the given equation is in Legendre form, then you have to substitute p plus qx equals to z, and this dy by dx is equals to q dy by dz, and d2y by dx square equals to q square d2y by dz square, etc. So only you just remember only these things. Okay, I'll explain how we got all this. Suppose if we put b plus qx equals to z, then this implies here, this implies differentiating with respect to x, we have here q equals to dz by dx. So now dy by dx equals, just now I told you, dy by dx equals to dy by dz, dz by dx. So it is dy by this dz by dx into dy by dz, and dy by dz by dx is q into dy by dz. So we got dy by dx equals to q into dy by dz. Here I explained the same thing here. Now d2y by dx square equals to, it is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx. And this d by dx we keep as it is, dy by dx, from this we have here q into dy by dz. So now we keep this q as it is, and this d by dx of dy by dz can be taken as d by dz of dy by dx. We can write like this. So now this d2y by dx square is equals to this q as it is, and this one is d by dz as it is, dy by dx again we know here q into dy by dz. So this is nothing but q square d2y by dz square. Now what we are doing here is, we are expressing p plus qx in terms of z, and dy by dx in terms of z, and dz by dx, d2y by dx square is also in terms of z. So it is, this implies d2y by dx square equals to q square d2y by dz square. Similarly we have d3y by dx square is q cube, d3y by dz cube, etc. and generally we have d raised to ny by dx raised to n is equals to q raised to n dn by dny by dz raised to n. So like this we will convert this one in the Cauchy-Euler form. After substituting all these, the given equation will be in the Cauchy-Euler form, and we know the method of solving Cauchy-Euler form. Our concept will be clear if we solve one example. Okay, let us take one example. Solve 2 plus 3x whole square d2 by dx square plus 3 into 2 plus 3x dy by dx minus 36y is equals to 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So now the given equation is this is, otherwise we can write this, we can take the same equation also. No need to write this equation also. If you want you can write, otherwise it is not necessary. This equation is not necessary. We can take this given equation itself as equation number 1. We can take, both are same. So now in this equation let us put 2 plus 3, because now it is in the Legendre differential equation, Legendre linear differential equation, because it is in the form of p plus qx square d2 by dx square plus this is a1 is nothing but p 2 plus 3x. These coefficients are same, dy by dx and all those things. So we know the method. We have to put 2 plus 3x is equals to z, so that here, or this 3x is equals to all those things we got here, x is equals to z minus 2 by 3. This we use afterwards. This is not now, this we use afterwards. So now if you substitute 2 plus 3x equals to z, then this implies here in the last just now I explained dy by dx nothing but 3 dz by dx, that is q into dz by dx. Here q is p plus qx, q is coefficient of x, 3 dz by dx, and d2 by dx square is 3 square d2 z by dx square, that is q square, because we know if we put z is equals to p plus qx, then dy by dx is q into dy by dz, and d2y by dx square is q square into d2y by dz square. So here q is nothing but coefficient of x. So now we got all these things. This is not dy by, okay, dy by dx equals to dy by dz, it is dy by dz. I have done a mistake. This is dy by dz, it is dy by dz. So now then equation 1 becomes, this given equation 1 becomes 2 plus 3x is after all those things, no, 2 plus 3x whole square d2 y by dz square, this one dx square becomes here, this is z square, and d2y by dx square is 3 square d2y by dz square. So this one is 3 square is 9, and this one is z square, and this one is d2y by dz square, plus this 3 as it is, 2 plus 3 x is z, and this dy by dx is 3 dy by dz minus 36y is equals to 3x square. From this we have here 3x equals to z minus 2, or x equals to z minus 2 by 3, and plus 4 z minus 2 by 3 plus 1. So now simplify this one. This is 9z square d2 plus 9z d minus 36y is equals to, simplify this one, it will be like this. So here d is d by dz, because here we use substitution z, and it is d by dz. Now it is in Cauchy-Euler form, isn't it? Now it is in Cauchy-Euler form. That you know Cauchy-Euler form is what? Cauchy-Euler form कैसा था? a naught x to the power of n d to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 d to the power of n minus 1 plus etc. up to an, it was equals to of y is equals to x था. लेकिन यहाँ पर x के जगह में क्या है? z है. That is the difference, isn't it? So it is exactly in this form. So it is a Cauchy-Euler form. And we know in Cauchy-Euler form में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? x इक्वल टू e to z लिए थे. यहाँ पर क्या है? ऑलरेडी z in terms of z में है, तो हम लोग क्या करना? z इक्वल टू e to u. Take one more variable, or u is equal to log z. So that here again we know in Cauchy-Euler form we know if you put z is equal to e to u, then we have z into d is equal to d1. वहाँ पर क्या था? x into d था. जस्ट क्या पर यहाँ पर हम लोग इसमें क्या कर रहे थे? We have used substitution z x equals to e raised to z, और z is equals to log x लिए थे, and x into d is equals to d1 etc. ऐसा था ना. So यहाँ पर क्या है? In place of x it is z उतना ही. So z into d is equals to d1, and z square equals to d1 into d1 minus etc. Here d is d by du. Okay. So now this above equation 2 becomes, substitute करो सारे values, 9 d1 into d1 minus 1 plus 9 d1 minus 36y is equals to, यहाँ पर इसको पहले सिंप्लीफाई करना था, मैं थोड़ा यहाँ पर गलत करी, सिंप्लीफिकेशन यहाँ पर पहले ही करना था ये. So it will become 1/3 z square minus 1. So you have to substitute here z square का वैल्यू पहले ही सब्स्टिट्यूट यहाँ पर पहले सिंप्लीफाई कर यहाँ पर ही हमको डालना है. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेल यू हाउ वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट. सो यहाँ पर क्या करना, z स्क्वायर इक्वल टू e होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज e टू 2u होता है यहाँ पर. दिस इज 9 d1 स्क्वायर माइनस 36 y इज इक्वल टू 1/3 e टू 2u माइनस 1. इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन तुम लोग कर लो, यहाँ पर करे से है, देखो सारा सिंप्लीफिकेशन करे से है. नाउ इट इज ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. नाउ टू फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. सो दैट इज 9m स्क्वायर माइनस 36. सो इट इज take 9 common, it is m square minus 4 is equals to 0. This implies m is equals to plus or minus 2. So complementary function is c1 e raised to minus 2u, because here our third equation is in terms of u, because here d1 is what, here d1 is d by du, no, here I have given d1 is d by du है. तो क्या होता है, complementary function is c1 e raised to 2u and plus c2 e raised to minus 2u. Take this as equation number 4. Next you have to find a particular integral. It is equals to 1 by 9 d1 square minus 36 into 1/3 e raised to 2u minus 1. So यहाँ पर अभी 9 कॉमन ले लो. So 9 into d1 square minus 4 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई का 9 27 हो जाता है. सेपरेट करो टर्म्स. 1 by d1 square minus 4 into e raised to 2u minus 1 by d1 square minus 4 into 1. यहाँ पर अगर हम लोग e raised to ax divided by f of d में क्या करते हैं, d निकाल कर a डालते हैं. So what happens if you put d equals to 2, this denominator becomes 0. So in that case, you have to simplify this one. So we can write this one as d minus 2 into d plus 2. d1 minus 2, d1 plus 2, and minus here this 1 can be written as e raised to 0 u. Now, you know one particular integral of e raised to ax divided by f of d raised d minus a raised to n. तो हम लोग क्या करते, n x to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial करते हैं. यहाँ पर क्या है, see here if you put d is equals to 2, this term becomes 0. जहाँ पर 0 होता है उसका पावर देखना, and you have to use that one here, u to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial. And here non-zero term को you have to substitute d1 is equals to 2. So it becomes 2 plus 2 e raised to 2u, and here you have to put d1 is equals to 0, it becomes 1 by 0 minus 4. So it becomes 1 by 27, this is u divided by 4 e raised to 2u plus 1 by minus 2 minus plus 1 by 4. So it is 427 multiplied 108, it is u into e raised to 2u plus 1. So it is a particular integral. You just add these two. General solution is complementary function plus particular integral. So it is c1 e raised to minus 2 z plus c2 e raised to 2 z plus 1 by 108 u into e raised to 2u plus 1. So this is in terms of z, this is in terms of u. Now let us convert this also in terms of z. So it becomes here 108, this one, u e raised to 2u, put e raised to 2u equals to z, so it becomes here z into e raised to, this is u is log z and e raised to 2u is z square plus 1, because you know e raised to 2u कैसा होता है, e raised to u whole square it is. So this is z square, this is nothing but z square. So z square plus 1. So now whole equation is in terms of z square, but our equation is not in terms of z, it is in terms of x, and again resubstitute z is equals to 2 plus 3x. So it will become c divided by e raised to minus 2z है ना, उसको नीचे ले तो 1 divided by e raised to 2z हो जाता है. So that is y equals to c1 divided by 2 plus 3x whole square plus c2 2 plus 3x whole square plus 108, sorry 1 divided by 108, z is this z square, first you write 2 plus 3x whole square, and log of z is log 2x plus, sorry it is not 2x, it is 2 plus 3x, it is, this is 2 plus 3x plus 1, and it is the required general solution. I hope all of you understood this one. I have done very clearly. If you find any difficulty in any step, you can write a question in comment box and I will try to solve your problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.